Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is a video of what I ate in the last 7 days to lose weight on keto. If you're new here and you're looking for a channel with tips and tricks on how you can lose weight eating ketogenically, this is the place for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one on how you can have success on your own keto weight loss journey. I do a type of keto that's a little different than some of the others here on YouTube. I focus on proteins to maintain my lean mass while keeping fats somewhat lower so that I can burn more body fat. If that's something you're interested in, let's check out the food ideas now.
Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday and I am having my first meal of the day. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm breaking my fast with 2 fried eggs, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with mango, peach, Mio water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day.
Alrighty everyone, tonight I was craving wings, so Dave went and got some drumettes and made them himself in the fryer because he's awesome. And I just have some ranch dressing, a little Frank's Red Hot, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. It's Sunday evening. Alright everyone, it's Monday, and I am definitely nothing if I am not a creature of habit. This is my first meal of the day. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Breaking my fast with 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 44 grams of center cut bacon, and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with mango, peach, Mio water enhancer. That's going to be my first meal of the day.
Alright everyone, it is Monday night and I am having Quest chip nachos tonight. So I have 1 package of nacho cheese Quest chips, 4 ounces of ground beef, 2 ounces of cheese, 4 tablespoons of salsa, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, a pack of holy guacamole, and half a cup of lettuce and 60 grams of tomato. I think that's everything. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty friends, it's Tuesday. I'm apparently out of yogurt. Just got home from shopping and I didn't have time to get to Walmart, so not sure what I'm going to do. I might stop for a Quest cookie and a piece of cheese later in the afternoon, maybe at dance. But for now, I am sticking to 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 fried eggs, and 55 grams of center cut bacon. That's going to be my first meal of the day.
Alrighty everyone, it is 9:30 at night. I'm finally home from the dance studio and I am going to have just a giant steak. I'm having a 12-ounce steak to make up for that protein from earlier, and that's going to be everything that I'm having. I'm not even having any veg. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
Everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having a 10-ounce New York steak with 300 grams of cabbage and some salt, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Thursday. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm breaking my fast with my typical first meal of the day. It doesn't really look like it though, does it? I decided to take a suggestion from you guys and try the mixing of the cheese and eggs together. People have been making cheese waffles, chaffles. I don't really want to deal with using a waffle maker, so I just made them in my pan. So I basically put an ounce of cheese on the bottoms of both my eggs. So I made like a kind of a sandwich. And then I put my bacon between. So I have 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, but there's 1 ounce on each egg, and 44 grams of center cut bacon inside. And then I was in the mood for something sweet, so I put a little sugar-free maple syrup on top of that. And then I have 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade, Mio water enhancer. That's going to be my first meal of the day.
Alright everyone, it's Thursday night and I am having my Italian chicken dish that I have quite often. I have 155 grams of spaghetti squash, 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of Lucini marinara. Actually, I think it's the basil something. And I think that's it. There's nothing else. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
Alrighty everyone, I am out shopping and I stopped at Core Life Eatery to get something to eat. I got their chicken Caesar salad with romaine instead of kale, and their double protein. Even with the double protein, I just feel like that looks like barely 3 ounces of chicken, maybe 4 if I'm lucky, and a couple Parmesan crisps for $13.
It doesn't seem like a heck of a lot of food. I'm sure it's going to taste amazing, but I'm probably still going to feel like I'm going to need a protein bar or something to go with this because it doesn't feel like enough food for me. But I'm going to eat it and find out. And that's going to be my first meal of the day.
All right, I'm home and I decided I would add a cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio to my first meal of the day. They're about an hour apart, but I'm just going to have to do it because that was not enough food. And for $13, guys, I could have made that whole salad myself for like less than $3. So that's kind of a bummer. And I'll tell you, it didn't taste good. The chicken was overdone. It was dry. It was just not that great, you guys. I'm never going to go to Core Life again.
Alrighty, everyone, it's Friday night, and tonight we are having homemade pork carnitas. Made it in the slow cooker, basically with some lime juice and seasonings, and Dave says he put some orange Mio in it as well to make it kind of sweet, so yeah, that sounds fun. And then about a half a cup of lettuce, a package of chili lime Quest chips, and 4 tablespoons of salsa, some tomatoes. I think it's about 50 grams of tomatoes, 50 grams of avocado, 4 tablespoons of salsa, and 4 tablespoons of sour cream. That's going to be my last meal of the day.
Alrighty, everyone, it's Saturday, and I am breaking my fast at 12:30 in the afternoon. I am about to go do some epic photographing today. And I tried the same thing I did yesterday with the cheesy eggs, only I did it with scrambled instead. It turned out a little better, more like pancake. So I did put syrup on it again because that was really good yesterday. So it's basically just 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, and just kind of cooked with the cheese on the outside of the eggs instead of the inside of the eggs. It's a different twist on it. Kind of like a chaffle, but not really. I don't really have a waffle maker that I want to use for chaffle. Or I might get one in the future. Anyway, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine Mio, water enhancer. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, everyone, it's Saturday night and I'm having some Quest chip nachos for dinner. I have 1 package of Quest chili lime chips, 3 ounces of pork, 50 grams of avocado, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of salsa, and 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese. That's going to be my last meal of the day.
So there you have it, everything I ate this week to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope I've given you some ideas for your own keto weight loss journey. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group in the About section below. I also have linked below links to my Teespring store and my Patreon account. Thank you for your support of my channel and helping me to keep make videos that keep you inspired and keep me motivated to keep going on my keto journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.